Today I'm going to read to you Earth's landforms and bodies of water. When we look inside, we see there's a table of contents. Today we will read land and water, rocky planet, raised landforms, and low landforms. Land and water. Our planet is home to plants, animals, and humans. They live on land and in the water. Earth's surface is not the same everywhere. It has mountains, hills, valleys, plains, and plateaus. These shapes on Earth's surface are called landforms. Earth also has streams, lakes, ponds, and oceans. These are called bodies of water. Down here we have a picture with a caption. Mountains are the highest landforms on Earth's surface. Mapping Earth. We can study landforms and bodies of water on a map. A map is a model of Earth. A model is a representation of a real object. Look at the map on this page. The blue areas show where water is found on Earth. What do you think the other colors show? And this caption tells us, the white areas show land that is frozen for most of the year. Rocky planet. Earth's land is made up of rocks. That is why it is called a rocky planet. The biggest pieces of rock form mountains. Boulders are huge rocks that break off mountains. Sometimes the rock has been crushed into smaller pieces. Gravel is made up of small stones and pebbles. Gravel is used on roads to make concrete. Tiny pieces of rock and minerals make sand. Beaches are made of sand. And here in this picture, we have a zoom in box and another caption. Concrete is strong enough to hold up cars, trains, and buildings. So this bridge is made of concrete. Where things grow. Soil is the loose top layer of Earth's surface. It is made up of rocks, minerals, and bits of dead plants and animals. What do you think? Can a mountain become sand over time? Why or why not? Plants grow in soil. Raised landforms. There are many different kinds of landforms on Earth. Some landforms are raised. This means they are higher than the area of land around them. Mountains are the highest raised landforms on Earth. They have steep, sloping sides. A group of mountains is the same area is called a mountain range. Here we have a little label. This is the peak of the mountain. The sides of a mountain meet at a point at the top called the peak. Plateaus can be thousands of feet high. High ground. A hill is smaller than a mountain. Hills have rounded tops. A plateau is also a raised landform. It rises high above the land around it. A plateau has a flat surface on top. It is surrounded by steep sides called cliffs. So notice how flat it is on top. And here are the steep sides called cliffs. What do you think? How is a plateau different from a mountain? How is a plateau different from a hill? Here's our last section for today. Low landforms. Some landforms are lower than the land around them. Valleys are a kind of low landform. They are usually found between raised landforms. Water runs down the sides of a mountain and hills. It wears away rock and soil at the bottom. This creates a valley. A canyon is deeper than a valley. It is narrow and has very steep sides. It is cut out by a fast-moving river. And here we see the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon in Arizona is one of the largest canyons in the world. Flat landforms. Some landforms are neither high nor low. A plain is a large, flat area of land. Plains are mostly covered with grass and only a few trees. The ground has rich soil that is good for farming. The area known as the Great Plains produces a lot of the food eaten in North America.